Good evening everyone, this is Lakan. So our today's video topic is common uniforms at the higher ranks in the Indian Army. As recently, Army has taken an initiative that there should be a common uniforms at the higher ranks in the Indian Army. From the rank of brigadier and the above, there should be a common uniform. They will not wear any kind of their regimental badges and berets from the 1 August. Uh, this decision had been made in the recent Army Commander conference. Uh, they will now wear only same color of berets, common badges of their rank, common belt buckle, and same patterns of the shoes. They will not wear any kind of their regimental items which identify them as their particular regimental or a corps. They will no longer wear any kind of their regimental lanyards on their shoulder and the special flashes on their shoulders like the special forces, Arunachal Scouts and Gorkha Scouts. As now all the officers from the rank of lieutenant to general in the Indian Army wear the berets, different colored berets, and the ranks, badges, and the lanyards of their regiment according to their culture, and the traditions of their regiment. As infantry and military intelligence regiments wear dark green berets, armored regiments wear black berets, and parachute regiment wear maroon berets. They will wear according to their regiment traditions and their cultures. Each infantry regiment and the corps has its own pattern of the shoulder lanyards, which they tuck in the right or left shoulder pocket, and the different patterns of the belt buckle according to their regiment sign, and the different pattern of shoes wear according to their traditions in the army. But now they will wear same kind of uniform from the rank brigadier to above, such as brigadier, major general, lieutenant general, and the general. There are also different kinds of button according to the regiments and the corps. The main reason for this is that the regimental duties of the army ends at the rank of colonel. So from the higher rank, commanding officers command the troops of the different regiments and corps. So there should be a appropriate. So it is only appropriate to wear a neutral uniform rather than a particular uniform of their regiment. So this decision had been making in a recent meeting. From 1 August, they will wear same kind of uniform. This is not only one time same uniform would be there, as 40 years ago in the 1980s there was same uniform of the officers which was started from the British Army. As now our neighbors or the other countries have the same uniforms of their higher ranks officers in their army, so India is also doing the same. Thank you so much for watching. This is all up to this video. Thank you.